In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and log into Sora 2. If you're new to the platform or looking for a refresher on how to get started, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth setup process so you can start exploring Sora 2 with ease. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Sora 2 login page. You can do this by typing in the following URL into the address bar, sora.chatgpt.com/login. This will take you directly to the login page, which is your gateway to accessing all of Sora's features. Once the page loads, you'll see options for logging in. But since we're signing up for a new account, what you want to do is look for the option that says sign up for free. Click on that link and you'll be taken to the registration page where you'll have a couple of options for creating an account. You can either enter an email address to create a traditional account or sign up using your existing Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Choosing one of these third-party options can make the process quicker as it automatically imports some of your information. If you choose to enter your email, you'll need to fill out a bit more information yourself. After selecting your sign-up method, you will be prompted to provide your full name. Make sure you enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your account, as this is how other users will see you. Following that, you'll also need to enter your age. This step is often a safeguard to ensure compliance with age restrictions or special features that may be available only to specific age groups. Once you've filled out the required fields, your setup process is practically done. Just hit the continue or finish button and your new account will be created instantly. You should receive a confirmation email if you signed up with your email address. So don't forget to check your inbox and confirm your email if necessary. This finalizes your registration and verifies your account's authenticity. Voila! You're now ready to log into Sora 2. The next time you visit the login page, just enter the credentials you used to sign up, or choose the option for Google, Microsoft, or Apple login if you use one of those accounts. You're now all set to dive into the features and explore all that Sora 2 has to offer. That's all there is to it. With these steps completed, you're now part of the Sora community, ready to explore, learn, and connect with others on this versatile platform. Thanks for watching and enjoy your experience with Sora 2.